Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool 3D layered outline text effect on CapCut PC. If you go to text here and add in a default text, I'm just going to type in the word outline or something else like maybe sweet. Then I'm going to just select a font here. You can select any font that you want, of course. I'm just going to select this one. Then I'm going to select like a color for the outline here, and I'm going to put the stroke up to 25% first. And I'm going to select this yellow color. Actually, I'm going to select this pink color. Then I'm going to copy and paste it, and I'm going to select the one on the bottom. And then add the thickness to 50%, and I'm going to change the color into this green. Copy and paste it again. Select the background color once again, and then have the thickness to be 75%, and then change the color of it. Then copy and paste it one more time, and select another color for the outline, and then put it up to 100%, like so. Copy and paste it one more time, add it at the very bottom, and have the color be the same as the background here. And I'm just going to move it to the side or up here to create like this 3D effect. Maybe like here. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!